Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Anker MagGo charging pad setup for iPhone 15 easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Anker MagGo charging pad. Remove the charging pad from the packaging carefully. Locate the power adapter included in the box. Plug the power adapter into a nearby electrical outlet. Next, take the USB-C cable and connect it to the charging pad. Attach the other end of the USB-C cable to the power adapter. Ensure that the connection is secure and that the pad is plugged in. Position the Anker MagGo charging pad on a flat surface. Now, take your iPhone 15 and check that it is compatible with MagSafe. Remove any protective case from your iPhone 15 if necessary. Align the back of your iPhone 15 with the center of the charging pad. Make sure the MagSafe magnets are properly aligned. You should see a charging animation on your iPhone screen. If the animation appears, your device is successfully charging. If there is no animation, adjust the positioning of your iPhone. Let your iPhone charge until it reaches your desired battery level. Always remember to keep the charging pad clean for optimal performance. Once charged, simply lift your iPhone off the pad to disconnect. Store the charging pad in a safe place when not in use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.